Figure I do an extra stream today. Unboxing some extra stuff. You know, the usual. Got, Hey, William, what's up? Glad you can make it, man. Just doing some odds and ends here. Hey, what's going on? Onyx? You changed your name again? Welcome in, welcome in. Just cutting things open right now. More of a relaxed stream, really, than anything. So how's everybody doing tonight? Oh, I always thought you went by Onyx on here. Oh. You know it's an empty box when it's just bubble wrap. Tired? That's not good. Let's try that. It's gonna be a... This actually took me a little while to find this one. So, see if I can actually get it open. There we go. They're so big. But this was actually more expensive than this was. So, we'll open this one first and do the turtle one second. So why not? But I figure alright, days won't. Oh. I think you're getting old, man. Need those naps to survive. I do too, be honest with you.